This is Mavis. She is Sydney's puppy. Sydney and Bear. Yeah, I know. Tell them. Say hi. Say Merry Christmas. I like to play with toys. You like to play with toys, don't you? Huh? And you like to play with kids, huh? Look up here. What? What? Can you say Merry Christmas? Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know. You want your brothers and sisters to play with, don't you? Hmm? Yeah. And there she is. Merry Christmas.